morning, guys. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Da 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 da. I don't know really, but anyways, it is 6:31 and it is Friday, December 14th. And I'm at work. Well, I'm in the parking garage, but I'm not vlogging in work in my job because you guys already seen all of that. Honestly, like, I don't want to just be too repetitive, but oh my god, guys, so I was editing the vlog last night for today to go up today on the 14th, the second day, and I started uploading it probably like at 7:45ish or somewhere around there, and it just was not uploading. Like, it took forever. Like, it literally took forever. So then it finally uploaded like 2 hours later. Yeah, like 2 hours later probably. And then I made it to publish, so I didn't want it to upload right away, so I was gonna have it published like I did the first vlog at 12 p.m. today. And I go, and of course I have copyright because I did the carpool little thing. Well, I didn't have anybody in the car. Well, I did car karaoke with myself, so of course it was like copyrighted. So then I deleted that video and then tried to upload it again, and it was like, it said 2 hours and 20 minutes, and it just kept going up to like 2 hours and 48 minutes, 2 hours and 50 minutes. So I'm like, oh my god. I got in the shower, still come back, and it's still on like 3%. It didn't move. So I'm just like, what in the fuck? So then I X'd out of Chrome, and then I tried to do just the Safari to see if that will help. No, still nothing. So at this point it's like 11 o'clock and I'm tired. I gotta go to sleep because the keto is making me like really fatigued, and I had to wake up at 5 a.m. so I'm like, I need to go to sleep. So I decided to cancel that upload and try to re-upload it while I was asleep. So I turned on like a video on YouTube so that my camera wouldn't go to sleep. So I turned on the video to keep replaying so that it can try to upload. I woke up this morning 11%. I'm like, what in the world? Like, that is killing me. I don't know what's wrong. Like, I truly don't know what the problem is. And yeah, I don't know what the problem is. So that's freaking annoying. So I'm trying that way again. I clicked upload, and then I put on another video, but the computer ended up going to sleep after so long last night, so it'll probably do the same thing. But I put it to upload, and then I put a video on to just keep auto playing, and hopefully it goes up. But if not, I don't know what's happening. I may have to just combine the videos because I don't know. I truly don't know. Like, normally it'll take a little while for the videos to upload, but it'll take like maybe an hour or 45 minutes, like 45 minutes ish, but never that long. So I'm not sure. But anyways, I need to go and work. Oh my god, this man just scared the crap out of me. Can you guys see him walking? Because you know, you be having to be on high alert in parking garages. But anyways, let me go on this job. I'll see you guys when I get off. Guys, look at this bump on my face. Ew. I don't know why my face is breaking out. Probably because I'm doing a whole different diet and I've been taking supplements. But I'm off work. Yay. And I'm not going to work tomorrow. I'm so excited. Tomorrow is Saturday. Today is Friday, obviously. But I'm off work. And I'm off Saturday and Sunday. Joy, joy, joy. Yeah, today was just too much for my life and I'm just annoyed. So I'm not going to work tomorrow. So I need to find me something to eat. I've only eaten once today. I ate at like 11:45, 12ish. And I've drunk almost all of this water. No, I haven't drunk almost all of this. I thought it was like down here. Fooled myself. But I need to find me something to eat now because I have like 900 calories left, and that has to include dinner too. So really, I just don't know. Oh my god, people just do not know how to drive, I promise, guys. Anyways, so that's that. So I finally got the video up. It finally worked. You guys are currently watching the video. Well, it's currently live for you guys to watch the vlog for day 2. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, that's that. And I really want to go see the lights, and it will be a good vlog for you guys. And also I want to go to the trap museum. That would be a good vlog for you guys, but I guess we shall see what happens. It's a gloomy day in Atlanta. It's been like this for like the past few days. It doesn't even look like it's raining on camera, but it's like that misty rain. You can't really see it. It's just like, yeah, crazy. Hey guys, so I made it home from work, and it is you guys can see my laundry room back there, and it's chunky, so don't judge me. It's 4:45 and I'm home from work. Fridays I get off later than normal most times. And guys, that's why, because I'm not doing anything today. Like, how boring am I? Like, I seriously don't do nothing because I don't really have that many friends. Like, and a lot of my friends are like married. Well, 2 of them are, and they always want to bring their babes with them, and I get tired of being the 3rd and 5th wheel. Like, I truly do. So yeah, I'm not doing nothing, so this will probably be a super short vlog. But right now I'm about to eat because I'm starving, literally starving. So I went and got a salad from Zaxby's. So I got, it looks so small. I got the blackened blue salad. Of course, I'm not eating the bread, and then I didn't get the fried onions that it comes with, the salad comes with. But I got this because it has the cheese, which they barely put any cheese. And I got it blackened, so I didn't get fried or buffaloed. I got blackened chicken. Okay. So without the bread or the fried onions, this salad is like 400 calories. A little less. Sorry, I'm smacking in your ear, but I'm hungry. And there's probably about 4 grams of carbs. So I got blue cheese dressing, which is safe for keto. And this dressing is, I got blue cheese. It's 180 calories in 1 pack. And it's 1 gram of carb. So yeah, not bad. I'm gonna try my best. Normally I'm a person who loves salad dressing. Like, I need a lot of salad dressing. But I'm gonna try it with just 1 pack. And then I'm going to add some Himalayan pink salt, because you know your girl need her salt for this keto lifestyle. And I'm going to add some coarse black pepper. And yeah, I'm about to chow down. Oh my god, guys, this pepper is so strong. I've sneezed like 30 times, and I feel like another one is coming. I can't. But this is what 1 pack of salad dressing looks like. So I think this is doable. I can definitely do this. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Okay, so this is doable. Normally I would use 2, but I mix this like my life depended on it. And I think every piece is covered pretty well. Yeah, I'm that girl. I gotta sneeze. Draw's not coming out. Okay, I'm about to go eat and drink my water. Hey guys, so I just finished eating. I look crazy or something. Like, I just look crazy. And these bumps right here, Ew. I can't. Guys, I look real crazy. Ginobili, stop. My dog is like licking my hand. He's sitting right here. Anyway, so I just finished eating and my food was bomb. My salad. But the gag is Domo is taking baby Domonic from Crissy. Chad, these folks got the most drama I ever even heard of. Like, 1 minute they're good, 1 minute they're taking Domonic trick-or-treating together, next minute they're arguing on Twitter, next minute Domo is moving to LA in her new penthouse or whatever. It's all just crazy. And then Crissy saying that she was never ever she will never have a couples YouTube channel with anyone else ever again. And now Mila, her new girlfriend, because at first she was saying it wasn't her girlfriend, but now it's her girlfriend. Now she's on her blog. Alright then, child. Okay, girl. So they just got the most drama in the world. And the fact that that vlog Crissy posted, when I checked, it had almost 800,000 reviews. Wait, did I say that right? The vlog that Crissy posted with Mila, it had almost like 800,000 views when I checked. And it had 24,000 likes. And 21,000 dislikes. That's like going down in history. I've never ever seen a video get that many dislikes. Like, that's just crazy. Oh my god, guys, please disregard these bumps. I don't even know what those bumps are from. Like, my face is just, I think it's just from me eating all this fat and the supplements probably, but it just looks gross. But I just don't know. I just don't know anymore. And the fact that my hair is like flipping out like that. But yeah, it's truly just crazy. Like, they got the most drama. But I can't believe Domo said that she would never, ever. Ginobili, stop licking, because you making it sound in my videos. Stop. So Domo said that she would never take Domonic from Crissy, and now she's taking Domonic from Crissy. I heard some people say that Crissy was on the birth certificate, but apparently she is not. I didn't think she was, but I don't know. So Domo has moved to LA, which is crazy, because she really, she said she's only there like part-time, but girl. And then she put up a tweet saying that she was taking Domonic from Crissy, and she said that Crissy was gonna be happy, and Crissy only checked on him twice a week, and that was out of guilt and pity and da 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 da. I'm like, okay, I just don't know what to believe. And then Domo came out with the diss track talking about when she was with her protector, who is Mila, she would come over and still be trying to fuck, or I'm sorry, still be trying to have sex and lick her pearl and all this stuff. And I just don't know what to believe. And of course Crissy's like, she's a liar. But people truly hate Crissy. Like, these folks out here hating Crissy. You just making all the noise in my video. I have never ever in my life seen a video get that many dislikes. Like, I have never. 24,000 or 21,000 dislikes. That's crazy, guys. I'm sorry, my dog just is deciding to go crazy in this video, because he probably be like, girl, what you doing? But I just thought I would share that. I'm sure you guys have already heard, but I want to hear what you guys think, so please leave your comments down below. So Domonic comes up with the diss track for Crissy and just goes crazy. Domo moves to LA, gets her a penthouse, then she announces that she's taking Domonic from Crissy, and she said that Crissy don't even care about that because she don't really care about Domonic. She's probably happy, this, that, and the third. I don't know. I mean, honestly, I feel like if you have a child with somebody, you have to go into it knowing that eventually it may not work out. So you may have to be okay with your child being around somebody else. But I feel like if I was in a situation, like, I wouldn't want my child to be introduced to so many new people so quickly. Like, no, not that quick. Like, I don't think Domonic should have been introduced to Mila, like, because you never know. Like, what if that one don't work out? It's just been a few months, or so we think. It could be her ex. A lot of people think it's her ex or whatever, but like, it's only been a few months and you are really trying to introduce, or he's already been introduced to Mila. Like, no. If it's my child, I need you to know that this is gonna be your baby. Like, I need you to know this is gonna be your spouse. I need you to know that y'all gonna be together forever, or at least for a long time, because I don't want my kids just meeting any and everybody. So that's how I feel about the situation. So I can kind of get why Domo was kind of upset about it, but in general, you can't have kids and think that your kids will never ever meet anyone else that your ex partner is gonna be with, because I mean, that's parenting and that's life. Like, I don't know, y'all. I just think they just is crazy. But I mean, Domo penthouse in LA looking cute, girl. Can I come over there? Invite me over there. I'll cook for you and stuff, because it's real cute. You got a penthouse, Domo? I see you, boo. I see you. But y'all, I don't have nothing else really for you guys. I just want to hear what you guys think about the situation, if you guys have been following it, and tell me what you guys think about it and stuff like that. But the diss track Domo made, she really went off on that diss track. Like, if all the stuff that she was saying in that diss track is true, baby, I don't know. But it's like, you never know who to believe, because they both could be lying. One of them could be telling the truth. One of them could be fabricating. One of them could be embellishing. One of them could be lying. Like, both of them could be lying. So you just never know, honestly. But all I know is, Crissy, baby, these people really out here hating you. Like, I know, like, 21,000 dislikes. That's all. So this is day 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My dog is looking like, what is really going on? But anyways, y'all, that's it. This is day 3 of the 12 days of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I promise you I'm not this boring. I mean, I am actually, but I mean, you will still love me. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, turn on the notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think on the situation, and just tell me how life is going for you. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay guys, this is a ratchet song. This is like when I was back in the day at the skating rink with my friends. I didn't have any business singing this song.